Close the launcher as well. Reopen the launcher first, then the game. Check for updates. Make sure the game client is fully updated. If using a PC launcher or mobile app, verify there are no pending updates. Clear cache temporary files. On PC, navigate to the games folder and delete any cache or temp files. On mobile, clear the app cache from settings. Restart the game afterward. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger blank error messages. Use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection for best results. Reinstall the game if needed. Uninstall the game completely. Reinstall the latest version. This ensures any missing files or corrupted text entries are restored. Contact support if issue persists. Provide a screenshot of the blank error. Include your device details, region, and exact steps to reproduce the error. Submit via the in-game customer service or official support email. Tip: most cases of blank error messages are caused by missing text strings in the client or temporary server communication issues. Restarting, updating, or reinstalling usually resolves it.